Starting with the env file at the root of the Vue JS project, you can set different environment variables such as the API URL and feature flags. Here, these are set up for the development environment. By prefixing with Vue_app_, Vue JS knows to make these variables accessible in the application. For the production environment, the env production file includes the production API URL and sets the feature flag to false. These variables ensure that when the project is built for production, it uses the correct configurations. Similarly, the env test file is used for setting environment variables for the testing environment, providing a consistent testing setup that mirrors what is expected in the test scenarios. In the Vue config.js file, you can leverage these environment variables to configure things like a dev server proxy. This helps you avoid CORS issues during development by making requests as if they were coming from the same domain. Within your Vue JS components or store, you can access these environment variables using process env. Here, we turn the Vue_app_feature_flag string into a boolean to easily check if the feature is enabled or not. For demonstration, logging process env shows all the environment variables available. Specific variables can easily be logged for debugging purposes or to verify that the correct environment configurations are being used. In the package.json file, you can define scripts to serve or build your application with different environment settings. For instance, build, prod and build. Test specify the mode, which determines which env file is used, helping you enforce consistent environment configurations for each stage of development.